Fighter aircraft are specialized military planes. Their primary mission is air-to-air combat. They secure airspace and engage enemy aircraft. Over time, their roles have expanded significantly. Many now perform ground attack missions too. Early jet fighters appeared in World War II. The German Me-262 was one such pioneer. These first jets changed air warfare forever. The first generation of jets brought speed. Aircraft like the F-86 Sabre were common. The MiG-15 was its famous Cold War rival. Second-generation fighters then broke the sound barrier. They also began carrying guided air-to-air missiles. Radar systems became smaller and more effective. These jets, like the F-104 Starfighter, pushed limits. Each generation built upon the last one. Third-generation fighters were more versatile. The F-4 Phantom II is a classic example. It could perform many different mission types. Avionics and weapon systems became more sophisticated. Supersonic performance was standard for these aircraft. They served in many conflicts around the world. This era saw major improvements in radar technology. Air combat tactics evolved with these new jets. Fourth-generation fighters brought new agility. Examples include the American F-16 Fighting Falcon. The Soviet MiG-29 Fulcrum is another key type. These jets featured fly-by-wire flight controls. This allowed for enhanced maneuverability in dogfights. Powerful radars and advanced missiles were standard. They dominated air combat for many decades. But a new kind of threat required new solutions. This led directly to the fifth generation. Stealth is a core feature of fifth-generation jets. This means they are very hard to detect. Enemy radar struggles to find these aircraft. Special shapes help to deflect radar waves. Advanced composite materials absorb radar energy. This low observable technology is crucial. It allows pilots to operate undetected. Stealth provides a massive survival advantage. Advanced sensors and avionics are also vital. Fifth-generation jets have incredibly smart systems. Multiple sensors gather data from all around. This data is fused into a clear picture. The pilot gets amazing situational awareness. They can see the battlefield like never before. This information advantage is decisive in combat. It helps pilots make faster, better decisions. Super cruise capability is another key characteristic. This allows sustained supersonic flight. It happens without using fuel-guzzling afterburners. This gives a significant tactical advantage. Aircraft can reach targets faster and cover more area. They can also engage or disengage more effectively. It improves energy management in aerial combat. Supercruise reduces reliance on afterburners for speed. Network-centric operations define these new jets. They are designed to share data seamlessly. Information flows between aircraft and ground stations. Even other friendly forces can receive this data. This creates a powerful, interconnected fighting force. Each unit benefits from the wider network's knowledge. This makes the entire force more effective. Decision-making cycles are greatly accelerated. Fifth-generation jets act as information hubs. The F-22 Raptor was the first fifth-generation fighter. It was designed by Lockheed Martin for the United States Air Force. Its main role is air superiority. It combines stealth, supercruise, and agility. The F-22's sensors are extremely powerful. It set the standard for all subsequent designs. Its performance in exercises is legendary. The Raptor is a truly formidable aircraft. The F-35 Lightning II is another key example. It is also a Lockheed Martin product. The F-35 is a multi-role fighter aircraft. It is designed for many different missions. These include air-to-air combat and ground attack. It has the most advanced sensor suite ever. Many allied nations are now operating the F-35. It is becoming a cornerstone of Western air power. Other countries are developing their own jets. Russia has the Sukhoi Su-57 Felon. China operates the Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon. These aircraft also aim for fifth-generation abilities. They incorporate stealth and advanced systems. Each nation has its own design philosophies. The global landscape of air power is changing. Competition drives innovation in military aviation. Comparing 5th Gen to 4th Gen shows a huge leap. An F-35 has far greater awareness than an F-16. Its stealth makes it much harder to target. A Su-57 versus a MiG-29 shows similar advances. The new jets can see farther and shoot first. They can operate in heavily defended airspace. This survivability is a critical difference. Older jets struggle against these new threats. The technological gap is very significant. Fifth-generation fighters transform air combat tactics. The old rules of dogfighting are changing. Stealth allows for first look, first shot kills. Pilots can engage enemies before being detected. Information superiority is now as vital as speed. Networked data sharing creates a team effort. Coordinated attacks become much more effective. These jets dictate the terms of engagement. These aircraft are vital for modern air defense. They provide a strong deterrent against aggression. Controlling the skies is essential for any military. Fifth-generation jets ensure air superiority. They can penetrate deep into enemy territory. They can counter advanced enemy air defenses. This capability protects friendly forces on ground and sea. Countries without them face a major disadvantage. The development of air power never stops. Engineers are already thinking about sixth-generation fighters. These future aircraft will likely be even more advanced. They might feature artificial intelligence pilots. Hypersonic speeds and directed energy weapons are possible. Unmanned wingmen could fly alongside them. The lessons from fifth-generation jets guide this work. Continuous innovation is key to staying ahead. In conclusion, fifth-generation fighters are revolutionary. They represent the current peak of air combat technology. Features like stealth and sensor fusion are game changers. Aircraft like the F-22, F-35, and Su-57 lead the way. They provide a decisive edge over older aircraft. These jets are shaping global defense strategies. They will define air power for many years to come. Their impact on military aviation is profound.